In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chart View in Monday.com, fast and easy. If you're looking to visually represent your data in a more organized and comprehensible manner, using the Chart View can make all the difference. Whether you're juggling projects, tasks, or managing a team, leveraging this tool can provide valuable insights at a glance. So let's dive in and see how you can make the most of it with just a few simple steps. First, to get started, you'll want to navigate to your workspace in Monday.com. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the plus Add View button. You'll typically find this at the top of your board, and this is your gateway to customizing how you visualize your data. Go ahead and click on this button, and a menu will drop down with various view options. From this menu, you're going to want to select Chart. This option allows you to transform static data rows into dynamic and insightful visual charts. Once you've clicked on Chart, you'll immediately be prompted to choose what type of chart best suits your needs. Whether you prefer a bar chart for comparing items over time, a pie chart for illustrating proportions, or a line chart for observing trends, each option serves a unique purpose. Consider the nature of your data and how you want your team to interpret it. Take a moment to explore these options, bearing in mind that you can always switch the chart type without losing any of your inputted data. After selecting your chart type, the next task is to determine which columns of data you want to display in your chart. Depending on your specific board setup, you might have columns related to tasks, dates, priorities, team members, or other custom fields. Think about the key pieces of information that will convey the story you're trying to tell with your data. Click on each column you wish to include in your chart, ensuring they align with the type of chart you've chosen. For instance, numerical data works well with bar and line charts, while categorical data is ideal for pie charts. Now, with your chart type and data columns selected, it's time to see the magic happen. To finalize and apply your selections, simply click the Apply button. Your chart will then render on the screen, providing you with a visual overview of your data. This is where you can truly start to reap the benefits of Chart View. Seeing your information in this format can simplify decision-making processes and help identify patterns that might not be as apparent with a list view. Remember, one of the fantastic things about Monday.com is its adaptability. Feel free to tweak your chart by modifying chart types or adding different data columns. You can update these settings as your needs evolve or as more data becomes available. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your project management and data handling in Monday.com. Enjoy exploring and making the most out of your chart views.